In this episode, we jump in the driver's cab of a red set for an explanation and demonstration of the driver's controls. Stay tuned.
The brakes have got release and running, holding one, holding two, lap, service, and then service around to emergency is just you're opening a hole in the brake pipe. So when you make an application, you go around to service, you start letting air out of the brake pipe, you go back to the lap position and you can hold it. And then and what holding does is build your brake pipe back up, but it puts magnet valves on the brake cylinder exhaust. And that holds the air in the brake cylinders so that they don't release. Sit at we're sitting now, full brake pipe, but full brake cylinder pressure. We're sitting here now, got it in holding up the other end. And then if you're coming into a platform and you're coming in too hard, you can just go back to release and running. It starts letting air out. Anytime you can come back to holding and it'll just hold it.
Good hand.
If you liked this video, then give this one a watch. Till next time, remember that sometimes the wrong train can take you to the right place.